na doy maganadog kiwa awa sema wa babita ni peminig na ke sama nungo mawanji undiang na ke ma ipindwe binigayang mima iwa bamindwa sama wagush na manaman sa tiganawan tamuwadio min sasagay ganan babi bababi siwin na ke na doy maganadog gagay to go Iminut sige wanggo anishnabig sama unaba mawad inut individu kaguyang sandikan jeni jayang gege tigo nibwa ayamagadio chianu kiwin sa ungut jiwi jeni shnabe binarik jividu kawangwa sa gewin wa janabish kawadio mino bimadi zawin ayim aman jiwin Nakirash ndawi maganadug miyongo malidug dejamindwa sama baki ginindwango gimishome sananig miyuma wewene sama jiganawa bamindwa sama jiniwidu kazuwad sama wewene gegina wendiga jinidda kukiyang sa wewe jinabish kamang gegina wendiyo minobe mahali sa wen ayo mamanjiwen Kena ndawi maganadug mige manungum minawa ichi wani tasuyang Nakengi wa walita so jig migo ishuwi sagan tamuwad. Kege we wene ge wina wa sa jiganawa no jiganawa na mindwa sama wi sagan tamuwad. Nakeyongo abi kilwa ngo chalishnabe migo ma. Aw lishnabe wanind migo ma kina ishuwani tasuyang. Miyo na dwe ma ganjugi mamuza na gaksa wiya besho. Eni wene mangsa waniyang. Miguma we wene jiganawa ba miguyang. Akege mo we sedewin yes chigadig. Nawa wasema mima bindi galinda aw. Mima atawinda aw wasema mima bindi ganawa no manidun. Keresh ndo ma ganadog. Ya gewin aw we na bushu. Tibi gewin ma bida sama bigwin miguma bezinda winang. Mi gewin ma ikirut sanama wa lishnabe asema chige gewin jibi kwane mend. Vidosho gewin you get the zeman nagin you danisan, nan you gusan you dap now at no seman. Now we sinuin. Nagema Mrs. Agay getting numaya, Iwaba mao basic money do. Me gewin my ikirut sanama and ishnabe as a machige gewin to be quinamend. Vidosho gewin now. Ikirut mima, and Gia send so much ganaway in madnium Mrs. Agay ganin and ishnaben. Mirasho gewin o yodap na no sema nagi o we sinuin. Nakege with it chuabish ke kingi wap ma o bejig o binesi. Miungo chandish nabig a pichish away mawad yo binesi and miguma he waba mindo binesi. Mima koe the gashka wad nagema ya sema chigewad. Miumlik na rima ganugi a pichish away mawad yo binesi and. Migewin o yodap na no sema nagi o we sinuin. Kegen and Wima gonna do go chishkabe with and you could give a bigger waba minang, we go gave in manungum. Ijawaba minang, we gave my ikidung. Vima now coini koima genas negashka, kanawab madnu than the shnab eman. Miguma ishimin wandang salungum. Waba miguing nungumasa is chigayang sama sema chigayang. No, the Wima gonna do meow, squad manidu, Dejamin, Dishpin Magegu. When Andaman, Majage Geguma, when he kiduyan. Meow, he goyaka sedudio gagi get to win. Meow. You know the way Maganuk you tap and a moko, we still in my gears at Chigadig. Meow. They put a dish out here if you can come and get some of the food. This is a spirit dish that was set out. Miigwech. Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, we can get started after we're through here. Thank you. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the swearing-in ceremony. Typically, this happens on June 9th, but due to this year of the pandemic, all these constitutional and by ordinance functions were pushed back per order of the per vote of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe, the Tribal Executive Committee. And so today we're following, sticking to those ordinances and seating the new members, a new member in District 1 in this case, and continuing another term for the Chief Executive. And so we'll get started. We'll get started first with Chief Justice Applegate to swear in the District 1 Representative-elect Virgil Wind.
Do you want us here, though, I think? Well, are we good?
Goodness.
I think they want you closer, probably.
It's like this wide, we gotta snuggle. Oh, did you guys hear that?
Okay, raise your right hand and repeat. I, Virgil Wynn,
I, Virgil Wind,
District 1 Representative,
District 1 Representative,
do hereby swear that I will support,
do hereby swear that I will support,
honor, and protect the Constitution
honor, and protect the Constitution
of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe,
of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe,
the Constitution of the United States of America,
the Constitution of the United States of America,
the laws of the non-removable
the laws of the non-removable
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians,
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians,
and I will protect the rights of band members
and I will protect the rights of band members
and others under the jurisdiction
and others under the jurisdiction
of the non-removable
of the non-removable
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians,
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians,
and I will faithfully and impartially
and I will faithfully and impartially
discharge the duties of the office
discharge the duties of the office
of which I hold
of which I hold
to the best of my judgment and ability.
to the best of my judgment and ability.
So help me get your money due.
So help me get you money due.
Did it.
Awesome, thank you. Somebody's honking for me over there just loud. All right, bear with me here. Anin Wagwish, Indigenous Cause, Bijou and Dudame, Mrs. Zaganing and Dujaba. First off, hello, man. Thank you guys so much. It's an honor and a privilege to be here today. Crazy, man. It's crazy to be up here. I really am humbled by everyone's support, from the beginning of this. Just amazing. My notes here, so I'm going to kind of go down them and try. MLB, Mille Lacs Band, my home, my people, my family, right? We're here. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. This campaign was really a lot about connection and a lot about comfort and a lot about knowing that you can come to me with whatever you need, and we'll try to meet those needs. A better tomorrow, that's going to be made through teamwork. Unfortunately, sometimes change is hard and can be uncomfortable, and I think as we move forward here, knowing that we're going to have some uncomfortable times and uncomfortable and hard conversations at times is really going to be the forefront of this campaign. Let's put in some work. Let's have the hard talks if we have to, but let's also have some fun when we can, right? Together we can and will change the world, right? Our world. That's about all I got. I really appreciate every one of you guys.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning.
Raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I, Melanie Benjamin,
I, Melanie Benjamin,
Chief Executive,
Chief Executive,
do hereby swear that I will support,
I do swear that I will support,
honor, and respect the Constitution
honor, and respect the Constitution
of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe,
of the Minnesota Chippewa Tribe,
the Constitution of the United States of America,
the Constitution of the United States of America,
the laws of the non-removable
the laws of the non-removable
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians,
Mille Lacs Band of Ojibwe Indians,
and I will protect the rights of band members
and I will protect the rights of band members
and others under the jurisdiction
and others under the jurisdiction
of the non-removable
of the non-removable
Mille Lacs Band of Chippewa Indians.
the Mille Lacs Band of Ojibwe Indians.
I will faithfully and impartially
I will faithfully and impartially
discharge the duties of the office
discharge the duties of the office
of which I hold
to
the best of my judgment and ability.
the best of my judgment and ability.
So help me get you money to.
So help me get ye money due. Buju anin and Shnabe Duk Mino Gijigad Nugum, Mandaman and Dijnakas, Melanie Bendigo. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming out. It's a little chilly out today, but for me, it's a very good day. And I appreciate each and every one of the band members for what you bring, your talents, your commitment, and all that you bring forth on to make our reservation better as we move forward. And as we go forward in the next 4 years, we have a lot of tasks and big jobs to do. But when I look at everyone out here and others, I know that we're built for it. We can make it happen. And we're in difficult times because of the COVID, the pandemic. And when I think about the Mille Lacs Band members, how well and how great all of you have been during this time of trauma and moving forward in a positive way. And I look forward and I'm really excited about the next 4 years and all that we can accomplish for all of us, for our children and for all of the generations going forward. As I talked about, we have a lot of big jobs and a big task that we have to do. We have lawsuits, we have housing issues, we have family services issues, we have substance abuse issues. We have all of those issues, but I think together we all commit, we can solve those and make life better for all of us. And I really am appreciative for everyone and all of your wisdom and your advice and recommendations. And I'm very proud and I'm honored to serve as Chief Executive for the Mille Lacs Band of Ojibwe, Miigwech.
Okay, well, we'll have Madam Chief and District Representative Wynn stand out front here and have you folks walk by and congratulate them in keeping in mind social distancing and congratulating them. Thank you very much.